Today is Remington's 3rd birthday, so we're gonna eat cake and then we're gonna go to a hot springs pool.
Yeah!
Yeah.
I want to.
You ready for your cake?
Yeah.
Okay, you ready to blow them out?
Yeah.
Good job.
Nice.
So we're coming to an indoor hot springs. Since it's winter and it's freezing, it's not nice to go to ones that are outdoor and you just freeze trying to get out of the water. So this one's really nice for the little kids. And it's inside a building, so hot springs that has a lot of, you're not allowed to, you're not allowed to do this, you're not allowed to do that.
Yeah, they get a little ridiculous.
Yeah, it's nice to be inside though. Do you want to go to McDonald's,
Yeah.
Remington? Yeah?
You sure they don't want to go somewhere else?
You want to go somewhere else?
I'm going to McDonald's.
Old McDonald's. Okay, Old McDonald's it is.
All right.
So the kids and I cleaned up the house. I'm gonna give the kids a choice to choose one fun thing to do today. And instead of asking, what do you wanna do today that's fun, that never goes over well. The ones that are old enough to be very vocal usually have different opinions from each other. I have been wanting to make tallow soap. So I'm gonna give them the choice of either staying home and making the tallow soap together, or we can go to like an outdoor ice skating hockey rink and let them go ice skating, and like maybe I'll make hot chocolate and put it in a thermos to bring along. So I think they're probably gonna choose ice skating, but we'll see. Okay, I'm gonna ask you guys what you want to do, but I have 2 things that you can choose from, okay? Do you want to stay home and help me make soap, or do you want to go ice skating in South Fork?
Ice skating and stuff.
Oh, I knew you were gonna say that. What do you want to do? Do you want to help me make soap, or do you want to go ice skating in South Fork? You want to make soap?
Yeah.
What do you want to do, bud?
Make soap.
What do you want to do? Do you want to go ice skating in South Fork and take hot chocolate along? Or do you want to stay here and make soap?
Go to South Fork and make hot chocolate.
So that didn't actually work out too well. 2 of them wanted to stay home and do soap, and 2 of them wanted to go ice skating. So now I kind of have to be the tiebreaker. I think I want to get out of the house, so I guess we're going ice skating. Okay, we're just making some hot chocolate real quick. First of all, we heat up the milk. I add cocoa powder, maple syrup, vanilla, and some salt to taste, and I kind of taste it as I go and see if the flavor's good and see what I might need to add a little more of. I know. All these along with the kids. Okay, there we go. Okay. Are you done crying? Okay, so far this feels very hard. I don't know if it's because like half of the kids didn't want to go do this, but the energy to get out the door is lacking, and this feels like a struggle. He just got bonked in the head by the door, so he's crying. I'm trying to wrangle the kids out the door with all the stuff, trying to get myself ready, but I'm not gonna let this take me down. I'm gonna do it anyways, and hopefully it will be way more fun once we get there. Right? Yeah? Yeah. Okay, we're here at this little ice skating area.
Mommy, I knew
We're gonna
be
go
at the mountains.
use, whoa, slippery. We're gonna go in here and get some free skates.
Freeze.
And then we put them back when you're done. Wow, this is a mess, isn't it? So we got ice skates on. Oh my word. They apparently are really dull because they're like sliding out the sides, not at all like gripping onto the ice. Walking in the snow? Yeah.
Oh, it's so warm.
Look at those cute mittens. Pretty much just as I figured. The kids are having a great time. So anyways, I'm sitting in the car now, trying to get warm. And all 4 of them are out there having a great time. They don't want to leave yet. So we're gonna go hiking to a waterfall today. I've only been to it in the summertime and it freezes over in the winter. So we're gonna go check it out. Does it feel good to be hiking?
No.
No?
I just guess I'm still feeling lazy from being in the car, sitting down.
Oh. Does it feel good to be hiking?
Yeah.
Okay, we're almost there. Okay, so don't go sliding around on the ice. Just be careful.
Just look at the run.
You have to kind of hike alongside the creek and then even cross the frozen creek at some point. So it looks pretty slippery, but we have to go up into this area. I'm gonna go this way. Yeah. This is cool, isn't it, bud? Isn't it, bud? Listen to it. Oh, this is weird. Look at this. You'll just slide right out there. That wasn't very fast at all, huh? Top on it. I mean, like the top is open. It's not necessarily a cave. It's more like a canyon, I think.
Oh yeah, you guys.
Oh.
The start is.
But okay, hang on to the wall, Sage.
Mommy, that is so cool.
Whoa, look at all that ice way up there. That is cool. Listen to how weird it sounds.
See that water coming out?
Wow. This is incredible.
Isn't that weird how the water's coming out from under the...
Look at the water coming down behind this ice right here. It's like a window.
Oh my.
What?
That is cool.
That is incredible. I'm so glad we came, aren't you guys? Look how beautiful it is. And then it's
Oh my.
gushing out under here. Just go really slowly and hang on to the rocks.
Whoa, Mom. That's incredible.
Just so many beautiful views. Look at that. These are sand dunes down here, and then you got the mountains behind them.
That is cool.
Going for a trail run. Be careful.
Daddy,
Alligators Park in Colorado. So we're gonna go check that out. Do you wanna pet that snake, Jericho?
Now, this snake is what we call in shad. So that you're not getting to see the color you normally would, and you see how the eyes kind of have gray on them?
Oh, yeah.
So, for me to get one you can hold, let me find one that isn't shad.
You gonna touch that snake? Yeah.
So this guy is known as a cinnamon ball python. Now, when you're seeing him, he looks a lot the same like that other guy. There's an iridescence on this animal in the black parts.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Really, really pretty. And you can see it really good in the sunlight.
Yeah.
Somebody want to hold? No. Snakes are actually really sweet in their nature. So soft, you're not going to believe. Right, isn't it amazing? It's like silk or something. And the thing is, especially with the ball python specifically, they will hang out with you for hours, watch a movie, do whatever, and cuddle, hug you. They love it.
That's crazy.
They love it.
Whoa. That's pretty cool. Do you like it?
Okay.
Hey, you're holding a snake. That's pretty cool. Hey,
there's another one. Hi.
Is that funny?
American alligator.
Is
These
that
guys are
cool?
born about 6 to 8 inches out of the shell. They grow about a foot a year for the first 10 years of their lives. Who wants to hold them? Keep your arms just like that. Hold them nice and tight.
Look at that. He's holding an alligator.
She's doing videos. Say, look, Mom, no brains.
Just keep, yeah. Is that pretty cool, Sage? Yeah. Hey, a banana tree. Yeah.
Hey, can I throw one? Mom.
Go hug it. No, go pet it.
Are you sure?
I don't know.
I'm scared. It does nothing.
Yeah. You gonna pet it, Jericho? No, he won't bite you. He just wants to smell you. Yeah, give it a hug, Marlon.
I can't.
Why?
The
Okay, time to go. Okay, that was a pretty cool experience for just something really random and odd. What did you think, Sage?
It was great.
You loved it?
Yeah.
What did you think, bud?
It was awesome. I loved holding the alligator.
Yeah, that was really heavy.
Did you like holding the snake?
Yeah.
Yes.
But it was a little bit freaky.
It was awesome.
Did you like holding the snake, Jericho?
Yeah.
Yeah? Remington, did you like holding the snake?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just for a random wonky thing to do, we give it a 10 out of 10. The facility here and everything is it is not updated at all. It's has like a lot of old stuff, but it's kind of cool. It's like one of those kind of country, I would almost want to say redneck type of really down to earth places that's really fun. The people that work here are super friendly and helpful, so. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed coming on all those different adventures with us. We definitely had a great time. For our next video, we will be in Hawaii, so hopefully we'll be able to have a bit of a Hawaii vlog for y'all in 2 weeks.